All right, today we're going to show you how to spatchcock a turkey and cook it on the big green egg. To get started, what you want to do is you find the top of the bird, which usually sits like this. You're going to flip it over. You're going to find that backbone, and then you're going to remove it by using a pair of kitchen shears. You want to do this on both sides. Now that we season our bird, we're going to put it on our egg indirect at 375 for a few hours, maybe a couple hours, because this is only a 16-pound bird, but you cook it until the internal temperature is 165. All right, let's get it on the egg. All right, our turkey is up to temperature 165 in the breast. It's been cooking for a couple hours at about 375, 350, 375 indirect on our egg. So we're going to pull it off right now. And again, remember, this puts the turkey at the same level, giving us a better cooking surface. Oh man, look how beautiful this turkey looks. This is a spatchcock turkey cooked on the big green egg using our kitchen shears. It's time to let it rest. We'll cut into it and enjoy the holidays.